A quick thinker in a small city apartment discovers a simple station by the fridge that halves food waste and saves money. They layer transparent containers, date markers, and a rotating plan that uses leftovers before new groceries. They track expiration dates with a wall chart, turning spoiled items into planned meals rather than excuses to splurge. They batch cook small portions, freeze portions labeled with day codes, avoiding daily takeout and impulse buys. The result is steadier budgets, fresher meals, and a calmer kitchen routine that anyone can copy.